No doubt, this is arguably the best channel for kids' natural hairstyles. Hello natural hair lovers, welcome back to Ivy's Naturals. This is Ivy's mom, and on this channel all we do is everything natural hairs, from DIYs, tips and tricks to help you grow a healthy natural hair. And today we'll be making this simple and beautiful style that your kids can rock on school days, play days, and they will enjoy it. It gives a perfect fit. Do well to stay till the end of the video to see the finished look. If you're new on this channel, feel free to explore. We have several videos, shorts, and even you can go through our playlist to see DIY recipes for organic powders like neem, aloe vera. Yes, aloe vera, you can make powder out of it. And also mint, moringa. We have a lot. Just explore, like I said before, and you definitely get value for your viewing. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, and do not forget to share and turn on your post notification button so that you'll be among the first to see whenever we post a new video. And of course, new video drops weekly. Let me chip in some natural hair talks. You complain always that your hair is dry. First, let's talk about water. If you're not spraying your hair with water regularly, or you're using hard water straight from your tap, your hair may not be getting the hydration it needs. So the oils, butters, moisturizers, they are just sealants. So always start with water or water-based leave-in. Let's talk about moisture. A lot of people slap oil on their dry hair and wonder why it's still crunchy. The trick is to apply water or leave-in, then follow up with oil or butter to lock in that moisture. That's the LOC or the LCO method of moisture retention, and it's work very well. LOC means liquid first, oil, then cream, or LCO, which is a liquid, cream, or oil. Then let's talk about deep conditioning. Are you doing it every wash day or just when your hair misbehaves? Deep conditioning should be regular, not occasional. Your hair needs those nutrients and the sleep to stay soft and manageable. Another thing is to check the kind of shampoo you use on your hair. Try switching to a sulfate-free one or a co-wash in between if needed. A sulfate-free shampoo will leave your hair clean without stripping it of its natural oils. And you know our scalp produces its natural oils, which is called sebum. The goal is to clean, not to strip your hair. You understand this? So now you know, do well to always take care of your hair. Moisturization is not an option. It is very necessary and important to achieve a healthy looking, well moisturized hair. If you've watched this video till this moment, do not forget to like, comment and share. Tell us where you're watching us from. We would love to read from you. We appreciate your support always here on Ivy's Naturals. New videos drop weekly. Turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified when the videos drop. here's the finished look of our absolute beautiful gorgeous hair. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Will you be recreating this for your kids? If you do not forget to tag us, Ivy's Naturals. You can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also here on YouTube if you're not subscribed already. Thanks for watching this video till this end, and we appreciate your support.